Hello and welcome back to Cabin Organic. Today I want to show you how, with just a little bit of stain and some paint, I was able to take a tired and neglected old shed and make it look new and lively. Here's a few before shots of the shed, and as you can see, it looks very old, very tired, neglected, and in need of repair. I started by giving the shed a really good wash and scrub, and then I took some of my espresso dark brown stain left over from the deck project, and I stained the frame and the top of this shed. Then I primed the doors to get it ready for the paint. And finally, some bright red, vibrant red paint. And if there's one thing you probably know about me by now, is that I really love the color red. This project only took me 2 days of painting and staining, and I'm really impressed with the results and what an impact this shed now makes. Even from far away, when you're approaching the cabin, you can see it, and it looks really pretty and eye-catching. And as you can see in the winter, it also adds a splash of color to an otherwise drab landscape. And another side project, a couple years after painting and staining the shed, we had some space cleared, and Brian's dad Dale built me a long raised bed here, and I've been planting vegetables in it for the last 2 summers now. And just beside the shed now, as you can see, there's a bit of a slope on the other side of the driveway, and we have taken this space and created a little mini berry orchard. We've planted red currants, gooseberries, black currants, and blueberries. And that was 3 years ago, and today this spot is become very bushy with berry shrubs in the late summer. It's wonderful. Here's a couple shots of our son Chayton just visiting the pumpkins and the squash in the late summer and early fall. And finally, just a few close-ups of the blueberries and the red currants. And I didn't get any more pictures of the gooseberries, but here's some of the gooseberry leaves turning color in the fall and adding a lot of beauty to our property. So once again, here's a before shot of how the shed looked before the project, and an after shot of the finished project. I hope you enjoyed watching another project here at Cabin Organic. Please like and subscribe, and we look forward to sharing more of our projects here at Cabin Organic.